Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about piecewise function. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find the integration from negative b over 4 to positive number 2. So now I will show you how to answer. When s is smaller than number 0, you got about this one. When s is greater than or equal to number 0, you got about this one. So that means this one for negative, this one for positive. Now we need to divide this integration into like this. So we will have about the integration from negative b over 4 to number 0. And this is for negative, so we put this one going here. And we have the second one, that's about the integration from 0 to number 2. And that's it for this one. Now, I will concentrate about this one first. About secant of s to the power of 4, we can write secant of s squared with secant of s squared. Next, about secant of s squared, we can change into tan s squared plus 1. And now, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have the u equals to secant of s squared ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to negative b over 4, so I will put negative b over 4 going here. So you got about u equals to negative number 1. When s equal to number 0, so u equal to number 0. This one we change negative number 1. This one we change by u, and you got about u squared. Similar for this one. Secant of s squared ds, we change by du. U to the power of 4 multiplied by u squared and number 1. We got about u to the power of 6 and u to the power of 4. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 7 over 7. This one is about u to the power of 5 over 5. And we put the bounds from negative number 1 to number 0. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 0 in here. And negative number 1 going here. And we got 12 over 35. Now let's go to the second one. So we have the formula in here. Sine A multiplied by cosine B equal to 1 over 2 sine of A plus B. And we have sine of A minus B. So we apply the formula for this one. So we will have about 1 over 2 sine of A plus B, so we have 2bs plus 5bs, so you got about 7bs plus sine of 2bs minus 5bs, you got about negative 3bs. And now we have the final answer. The integration of sine 7bs, you will got about negative 1 over 7b cosine 7bs. The integration of this one, we have positive 1 over 3b cosine 3bs. And we put the bounds because we need to divide coefficient of this one. The integration of sine, you got about negative cosine. That's why we need to change the sign of this one in here. And now we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. And now we got the final answer. So I will put number 2 in here, number 2 in here, number 0 in here, and number 0 in here. Negative sign here, I forget. And now we got 0 for this one. And now the final answer, we need to concentrate just only 12 over 35. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.